Hello, Mama Space Person African Professor One and the Casamaba African Professor One on Twitter platform. Subscribe, share, hit the notification bell to tell me the new video we have to so and answer coming to Amota. We African Professor One, Mama Space Person, my chief linguist. Mubi like, share, Negro African Professor One family. No, Mr. Hadi, very insightful, informative, and everything. You know, Ubaha and Yadia Ubay, Intino. And then come up person again. Yes, baby, we're searching who baby you're here. You don't stop scratching there. If you have an itchy episode in any part of your body, you keep on scratching the place, the itchy part, wherever place that is itching, you keep scratching there over and over and over until that itchy episode. No, and I say experience, everywhere. Until you me hana ya mehine, me huno, mehine asem abebu na mubu no. Until asem won me busa, me say adenti, but asem ya mehine ni me say adenti, and afraid NDC for winning power no. Atem didi anom so anom didi Asantes for atem. And also mu pity other account one part, some part of the accounts against Asantes near that. As if say Asantes for your account for and I say account near Asantes for belong to the same ethnic group. I want to know. I didn't see that anytime be a NDC will position. You be due to for near Asantes for atem sa no massa I categorize it. If I say MPP say MPP I can. I feel ya I can win and find the Ashanti party. Because women so much I can. They can comprise it a bron and sima so infante a chim near the ding in Omina ya account for. Until somehow no politicians beat me trans and who said see a transina ye divide this ethnic group because they form a bulk of the electorate and I say voting block until if you're able to divide their frontal, name among for other ethnic group need just Asantes for a bema omina a vote into Asantes for no cry or to about crying because that is the strategy, that's the tactics. A lot of these politicians and Kromatan and Kroma you should be. But the point I'm making is I didn't be say NDC a position you be dear Asantes for account for and I say especially Asante na tamsa nkofo politician Mahama ka ho woni ne Ibrahim Mahama ka ho ne yesade no basic tuesika amema nkofo bloggers bi ne nkofo bi wo Ghana ne abrochi sore no mudi Asante for tamsa just one of the reasons said just to demoralize Asantes now for so mu create division within the cracks within account for because account they form a bulk of the voting bloc. And to me, yes, I know. There's a month will be very demoralized. And the voter party now be setting. A lot of people won't vote. They say, other not near the thing in our Kaboni, was no near the Greater Accra Kamboma. They say, Omawani. That's the strategy of Mahama or player or any conform. Say, no matter what, me say Ibrahim Mahama ni okaho because many evidence be a crown or Palma me see me many evidence crown. I didn't think I know we are a friend. I drink pine and not someone. I drink pine and so one Germany woo. I didn't think I quano or so I know do too for near Asantes for atem. It me share Ashanti flag, sweet here. I him for Sonia Asantes for no. I didn't think I never woo or never. What did I to Ibrahim? See Jato said the end Ibrahim so I declare say Obeka Kranito. Dev do them apart. I didn't. Then I'm busy question senti. Say I drink pine and no some one. And I know the Digonja Hinatamana say, baby Ibrahim Mahama, Nema Mifrino, voter region one Mifrino, no did you Hinatama, and can Adripahin or then the Babato, Ibrahim Mahama, Ama Ibrahim Mahama, Aquaran. You see, this is at Sembi, yes, simple, Assembly Safwa, be Assembly Pronounced at the end had a big goes. But the point is, say evidence we could actually say Ibrahim Mahama, Satem the Diani, the Asantes Fatum, Bebeno, still, and conformity tabrachi, do money about once at friend, a bit American, bit Titin, almost in Yansa calling by they are the repository of all knowledge. Everything they say is the best. And I say, and a woman in Bibiacho Bia, and Umdi. Asante Hinani Asante for Yinatum, and when a Mahama found at the winning power. Because of your Asante region voting party party the 2024 now, it tells you a lot about such strategy Mahama put in place. Now I'm see there be a coming so be anywhere Ghana politicians will be anywhere about Ghana we're so wicked and I say we're so divisive and I say we're sneaky che Mahama John Dramani Mahama, President Mahama, we sneaky, no yes with a smile, and we yet to send Krama who brush here, and a BT Ghana for no, was steady the Biame comes to a steady Ghana for whom or Faswa, or bit me BT Ghana, and no command person me say. I just want to understand why is that anytime NDC comes to power, all the insult against Asantes, near Asante, and any other, I don't know, a subsided coffin. But as soon as they goes into opposition, everything changes. I think constantly. Or when the power we are not for the menshia a quine. Or ban Kraman breast nana. She said here, why me cash me government, you know, first time no me buy on our boy, me namiko peskebi, and Timisu vast network. And yeah, San Kraman Brasella, and no DBT, ABT, or bar, no the BBT, Yahim for no Washington region. Let me say, President Mahama, or be a president, be anyone Wabagana, or is sneaky, we're conniving. A chain. Nancy, when you'll be a smarter, won't that? Or baby two says here, Nimian San and Nimiana, Nimiana said, so what dear, what child, dear, when papa, mother. Obi her, or the Senify chow, dear, Ninsa, Nifa Weno, a roses, not left, you know, Ukuta, a snake. Zana Ibrahim Mahama, Sanote, oh, bet you, dear, but Massa, one Casa, Mom Casa Dinia, the mother, Wabwa. And Krama Humbrashe, and only BT Ghana for Sudia. Oh, where you nipo, oh, me and no crown cassa. Oh, poor boy, dear, sir. Maza, Nanzo qua. And I make him see 6 feet in the car was a girded tomb, do worms on fold. Girded tomb, do worms on fold. And I said, someone foam and someone poma you are. Some. Now, whitewashing would be beyond, but would dig it deep. I won't say. Worms and Kwan, 6 feet in the car, good tombs do worms of food. Sana, Ibrahim Muhammad, Sani brother, no, Sano Muti, me say, and then command minimum Matudi me say. Why is it that anytime NDC comes to power, all the insults against Asante and Asantes, go down? But as soon as they go into a position, the whole everything changes, the ball game changes. Why? That's what I want to know. And which I will say, and which Ghana. Almost play divisive politics, tribal politics, identity politics. And to be meka to be teaching us I call it tribalist and I say tribalistica. Only you know what you don't even understand what you're saying. Papa nyahia, remember Papa nyahia, Bonisu nyahia. Papa nyahia, Boni nyahia. And it's a woody Nessa Masa, and I make uncophobe mati, uncophobe briano mudi, Otumfuo atamni, Asante atamni, as soon as say Mahama winning power no unconformity tabrochu and no nyina bi wa America hin on to wiom ho Ghana no masako. Why? I didn't akofo ado time o mama and am say ni nyina akyerew enti me Ibrahim Mahama de gold better Ghana asase so nyina mo bia gold efie ma kra me it doesn't faze me anya me ngwa anya koto anya foko to me na say me tie me nika pre but maza me nya aduane di da bia me nya adwuma ye mo katim edimi free A to Z entino memfa ho so de me kire memfa de obi be ka memfa bo ganya so me kakra me wo no mani so entino mo na mti Ghana na nkofo biti Ghana no obi ba no de aho brahye bi ni ade biti manam me say enkoma afi enkoma person minimum di and I say question person busa it's as simple as that. It's as simple as ABC. Why is it that when NDC is in power, all the insults, tribal bigotry, tribal insult towards Asantes and Asante, subside, go down. But as soon as they go into opposition, everything changes. Why? I did that. And when the children, when Americans, when the children say, Munim say Ghana, or Mumu Didi Asante for a time, or play other tribes against other tribes. Hey, MP and NDC, hey, Mahama, and in that's the only way Mahama play dirty. That's the only way Mahama can win power. Oh, that's the only way Mahama can win. And to the reason Mahama win it, that's the strategy. No be all way better about Russia no nam. Russia propaganda be anywhere propaganda country be anywhere. And it's a election, my face is nisa, more practices near the I didn't quite your faso high key, electoral system near the I don't know. Easy. And Mahama ever to about no on the name of Russia and only other. The question is why? Why did he choose that time to go there? There's a reason. Oh, and in command minimum dinner in answer, the Tintini teacher me say, I didn't NDC, so Mbapawa, at him the dear Asantefoɔ atendidie ɛne Otumfuo atendidie nyinaa na ano abrase ko position you see that's what it is adentra ɛno kyerɛ wo sɛ mu shirt this category na me say mini evidence kura sa akɔ bi yɛsi efra na dwempan ni wɔn hu aka me maintain di kura da squash ba yɛsi wawu so hell say here baby wɔn I don't know wɔn nya ne ba nya no awu a wɔde ne ba to Ibrahim Mahama adenti no de to adenti no wu Ibrahim Mahama yi delegate osman nkofo mom ko born ekɔ na yi why nti sa akwa no me bisa again sa akwa no odidi estemfo ehene no matama gonja hene ne na yiguri num ne bako hene no ne ade a enka ena ka akwa no wɔde ne ba ebeto Ibrahim Mahama Ibrahim Mahama edini sika na sa akɔbɔ ne nsa adenta. That's the question. Me the evidence and me evidence be a bim. That's my evidence. And not tell me say Ibrahim Mahama, wani ninu Mahama, President Mahama. Omuna attempted the idea something for nyina. Omuna masa mo be deny, mo be kase nye true. Some evidence be your heart, circumstantial evidence, near evidence be your heart. You may not have the concrete proof, but there's certain indicators be certain markers be. Some circumstances near be surrounding the case, all points to the fact say Ibrahim Mahama. They have my video by, and I will still insist on say they know it because many evidence. My evidence. I'm beginning one say Aquano no dear something not to be bringing Asante to be bringing a friend. I jump in. I didn't know then about Ibrahim Mahama. Na Ibrahim Mahama. I just saw back no. Why? Obeha Quran. I did. And then to me question another question say Sankana jump in or sorry no di. Gonja hina tama every day gonja na boss gonja hina tama etika Ibrahim Mahama nka kwa ko odinsika ebe mana na se ko wuye no ko besma nipa se enko hene yenko na yi yenko hene krabam you see and I make me say enti ko ma me no di no me say dia atemdi dia ekoso Asante mem edidi Asante for attempt tribal bigotry tribal divisive politics ni nyina NDC Mahama nini nuyam na shechiri because we tima create enmity between Asantes and the Bron and other tribe as if say Asante for ne Bronfo enye nipa baako ba ko history mu a wo hwe history mu a bibia kire say e Bron ne Asante e nipa baako enyina we belong to the same ethnic group we are all account people accounts entino adedra e go dey free enti come on person the way African professor one. Subscribe, share with friends and family, and I'll talk to you another time. Have a great day. Bye.